Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. Today in this video I'm going to show how to use and recharge with SunDirect Android app. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open Play Store and search for My SunDirect app. It may appear first. As you can see here. Click on the app and install the app. Once the app is installed, open the app. It asks for the registered mobile number or smart card number. I chose the smart card number, and again it asks for the registered mobile number and smart card number. After typing the numbers, click on the login button. Once logged in, the following options will appear. My account option shows name, registered mobile number, smart card number, subscription pack, expiry date, and address. You can also able to change different packs according to your wish. To make a recharge for your SunDirect DTH, click on the quick recharge button. Here you can able to use the current pack, or you can able to change the pack. Click on recharge now button. And then click on the pay now button. Enter your card details here and again click on the pay now button. I will show you the screenshot of the payment summary. Also, you can able to add different channels by clicking on the add-ons button. That's all for this. If you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe our channel for more videos.